could be a doctor and I could be a nurse. I think I see the problem, it's only gonna get worse. I midnight medication, just show me